Hi you guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today was our actual closing day, and I just kind of want to give you guys a semi-empty house tour. So when you first walk into the home, this space right here was originally designed to be a home office, but because neither my husband or I work from home or have jobs that really require us to have a home office, we opted to do this as a formal living room. Now this room is pretty spacious. Let me turn on some lights. It's pretty spacious, but that nipple little light fixture thing, yeah, that has to go. So I'm gonna be looking for a actual nice little lighting or chandelier to go there. And that's the front of the house, and excuse the mess, but this is considered our formal dining room. Like I said, it is a semi empty house tour, but we've been kind of trying to move little things in at a time. So you come down this hall and you will actually see like a little small hallway, and this will actually be the downstairs bath that we will let our guests use whenever we have like family entertaining space. I'm so glad this is an actual full bath, because in our last home we actually had a half bath with just a toilet and a pedestal sink. And to be honest with you guys, I really did not like the look and the feel of that whole bathroom setup. So right here, it's just a linen closet or a guest closet. You guys say hello to Ginger. This is a downstairs a downstairs bedroom. So this bedroom is a 5'4". So this is the bedroom that our guests will actually use, and it's pretty spacious, pretty big. It's away from everything upstairs, and this is actually the closet, and the closet is a really nice space. So yeah, so moving on, once you come out of this room, you're going to go actually into the large size family room. And I will tell you guys, a lot of the things that you see in the home, they are builder grade, because if you was to upgrade, it's a bit pricey. Like, we did upgrade on the flooring because we just wanted, that we're believing this will be our forever home, and we just wanted something that would be nice and plush and comfortable to our feet when we walk throughout the house. So that is a builder grade ceiling fan. Of course, I will be changing it out. This is a huge family room, in my opinion, especially with what I'm used to having. So I'm thinking about purchasing a sectional to go in here, and you guys just give me your thoughts and your feels on if I should purchase a sectional or if I should go a different route. But like I said, I want this room to be nice and cozy. I don't want this room to feel like, oh my goodness, I can't walk through this room, because we do have a former living room, and this is the family room. I want everyone to be able to come in and just be comfortable whenever we do have different family events. Going into the kitchen, we do have the builder grade lighting right there. I don't like it. I do plan on changing it out, and I will change it out. We do have the recessed lights, the island. Like I said, excuse the mess. We're kind of just trying to get moved in. I will say our cooktop, that was the upgrade that we actually had to pay upgrade costs up front. And then we just have a regular microwave. And we did upgrade also in the with the oven. We did a double oven because we do like to cook and entertain family, and we just wanted to make sure while family was here entertaining that they could be able to cook and just feel like they're a part of our household. These pendant lightings that are right here, I mean, they're okay for now, but I do plan to change those out eventually sometime in the future, as well as switching out this this faucet head. I love the one that Style by Casanova has. I believe it's Samoan and it's Bluetooth, so I do plan on purchasing that one. I'll probably do that this weekend. And also, like in this kitchen, we have a lot of lights. Like if you can see, we have recessed lights all over the house. Well, all over the kitchen ceiling. And then what I don't get is they put this little nipple light right here. I just don't like it. I don't understand why they wouldn't go all the way through with the recessed lighting. Okay, so let's get ready to head upstairs. So we're actually gonna head up the stairs, and also we did, like I said, we did a flooring upgrade on the floors, and we asked the builder if we could do the stairs leading up, you know, up the staircase with the same thing. And believe it or not, they told us if we were to do the stairs as well as the upstairs part of the house, that would be an extra $25,000. That's ridiculous. So we just decided to keep it how it is, and then we're going to actually, you know, eventually go ahead and change out that flooring ourselves. Leading up to the second half of the house, once you turn over to the left, this is actually going to be our little loft space. We're not really sure what we're going to do with it, but it's just a nice space to have. Of course, it has that little nipple thing going on there that we will change out. Has a nice window, and you know, it's just a nice little comfy vibe right here. Yes, pretty big space. Now going into this room right here, we're still debating on if we're going to turn this into a game room for the kids and for my husband, or either a theater. We really don't know, but the size of the room is pretty big. Like, it's a pretty big room. It's long. It's really long. So we could do a whole lot with this space. I can make this into another guest room and put a nice size bed and television in here for the guests. It's, you know, it's just a lot of different possibilities that we can do in this room. I also like the fact that it has a pretty nice size walk-in closet. Like, look at this closet. And I'm sorry, you guys, if I sound like I'm out of breath. I am. I'm tired. My day started really early, and I know I'm going to have a long night. That's the attic, where I will not be visiting. I just don't do attics. I don't. Going into this room, this is actually my son's room. Of course, he has that same little nipple lighting that we're going to change out into all the bedrooms. We're going to get ceiling fans for those. But this is his bedroom. A nice size. And he also has a walk-in closet as well. This is a nice size room. So we're going to fix it up with a nice bed. And since he's a gamer, we're going to do this wall right here into his little gaming wall with all of his different video games and television and all those things. And then this is actually his bathroom right here. And it's a nice full bath for him since he is a teenager and he does need his own space. Okay. Now, we're going to go into my owner's suite. So this is the owner's suite. This is what really sold my husband and I on this style house and floor plan, because it's just so big, so spacious, and we could do so much. Like we're thinking about putting our bed over here on this wall, and then we may put like a little sitting area right here with this situation, our fireplace on this wall, as well as a television. And we're also thinking about, I'm sorry, that's Ginger, my daughter over here. I'm gonna do this little area right here into an actual seating area where we'll have 2 chairs as well as a sofa. And you guys tell me what you think. I'm thinking about putting a beverage cooler in here. I just think that it'll just make the mood so much better. And again, we have these little eel nipple lights that I cannot stand. They look like a nipple, and yeah, I gotta get rid of those. Going into here, this is the owner's suite bathroom, and I really do love my owner's, I love my bathroom in this home. Like, I love my bathroom in my other home, but it was older, it was a little dated. But this is the sink. And yeah, I love it. Also, looking at the shower, this shower was also a upgrade that we had to go ahead and pay for. And well, not the shower door. We did not want I'm sorry guys, you hear the noise in the background. That's Ginger running around. But we did not want like the little frame, because we had it in our last bathroom and it was just a nightmare to try to keep clean and to clean. So this time we went with all glass, and we're really happy about it. And right here, I do like the fact that, and right here, I do love the fact that we have a place where we can sit down if we're just tired and, kind of collect our thoughts. I have somewhere where I can shave and not have to worry about slipping and sliding, because you ladies know how that is, trying to, do a decent shave in the shower. And I like that the door goes in and it also comes out. This is our little toilet area right here. And this is another room that I'm so happy about, you guys. Like, look at my closet. I don't know if I'm going to do like some customizing in here, or if I would just keep it how it is with the different wire rats. But even with the wire rats, I feel like it would be enough room in here for my husband and I, because in the owner's suite is only 1 closet, but this is more than enough space for he and I, clothing and shoes. Okay. Leading out from the owner's suite and going down the hall, it's like a little area right here where it will be so pretty once prom time comes and my kids go to prom. I can potentially put some chairs or something right, and a little table set up right here. On this wall, I'm thinking about putting a picture, cute little table and lamp right there. And going into here, this is actually the washroom. This washroom is huge. Like, we still have the same flooring that we have downstairs. It has a actual closet in here. I've never had a closet in my washroom, so this would be great for like cleaning supplies and extra linen and things like that. Okay, so this is the washroom. It is kind of bland. I really wish they would have like offered me a chance to put like cabinets up in here, because I think that would have made the room look a little better instead of having this wire rack. But that's something that myself and my husband can do, you know, a little bit down the line. So that's just an idea right there. And going out, this is actually my daughter's room right here. It's a nice size room. And I love it. It's spacious, you know. It's a nice size for her. And we have big plans with decorating her room as well. She has her own little spacious bathroom. In here is a full bath. And she also has a nice size closet in there as well. So you guys, I cannot wait to decorate with you guys, as well as get ideas about decorating and different ways I can spruce up my home. So please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos. Bye.